Hello friends, today is a cold day. I'm here with Mr. Chad. Say hi. So we are at our usual spot. We're gonna be doing a flight, and here's the Bixler 3, no, Bixler 1, and I'm gonna test this new module that I did with the DJI FPV. So Mr. Chad is going to record my flight, and I'm gonna do a range test. So this is a new compact version. All right, Mr. Chad, here you go.
And Dad's going to get his radio out.
So this is my
Long-range one. It's a long-range radio.
And it's a long range, so we're gonna be range now. So I'm gonna put in my small antenna, not the tall antenna. That's the stock antenna. So what I need to do is, I got everything. Alright, I think we should be good. I'm gonna close here. Oh, no, I'm sorry. There's goggles. Oh, yeah. We need to also get the goggles out. So the goggles are DJI Digital FPV HD, and so it's right here. So yesterday I was having a little hard time with the battery connector. I think that started getting loose, so I'm using the original now. So I'll probably put the battery in my pocket this time. It's not gonna be hanging. So this is the goggle, and what else? So that's the long cord that can actually fit in my pocket, like many people doing it, I think, that way. What I use is a 4-cell 1300 milliamp hour battery. That's there, and I can actually start turning this guy on first. So this is the radio.
Low rates, mid rates, low rates, high rates.
It's on the high rates.
Motor off.
Motor off. That's good. That's all we need. So now I'm gonna start the goggle, and now I'm gonna plug the battery on the airplane. So the goggles are on. Okay, that's the digital module. I'm going to pretty much everything set. I set the CG before we come here. I'm hoping it's right. So I'm gonna plug this guy on. Put this kind of on the side. So a lot of things there, but overall I should get a video feed. I'm gonna check it out, see if everything good, Chad, and then I should be ready to fly. Now, and I think the wind is just ahead of us, like here. I think it's like straight there. Let's put it down a little bit. I wanted to make sure the GPS is on, and I'm waiting the satellites to come on. Still recording, which is good. Alright, and it says 14. I'm gonna look at the power output. 25 milliwatt right now. So just want to make sure all the satellites counts before I take it off, right? That's good. So doggy wants to fly with us. That's working. That's also good. So Chad, 4 satellites. I think it's now getting in. I don't know why that altimeter is showing. Yeah, I have to actually change that, definitely. Alright, I think we should be good. Ready, Chad?
Ready.
I'm gonna change the power to 1000 milliwatts. Okay. 7 satellites, so this is good. Alright, ready? Let's do it. Which way? This way?
I think so.
Okay, ready?
Yep. It's that way.
Okay.
Oh, good takeoff. Yeah, it's very good.
CG is still not right now. Okay, that is working. So it's recording. I'm gonna do a little bit of a range, so yeah, you can record me as well. So the radio is on and I have the battery in my pocket. I'm going to plug it here and see what we get there. The battery is plugged in here. Made it tricky. Okay, everything coming on. Okay. Alright, OSD is in. GPS count is there. Settings. Device. Let's do the 1200 milliwatt this time. Okay. Ready for takeoff. Alright. Ready, boy? Alright, I think, yeah, I'm on the high power setting, the highest power basically. So far it says 14 satellites, and altitude is basically just need to be adjusted. I had to look on Battleflight. It's not giving me the actual, just giving me the current altitude parameter altitude. So anyway, speed is also not right, meter hours, so I had to turn into miles, I think. Well, maybe it's correct, I don't know. It's 30, so let's see if we can make it all the way to the farmhouse with the high power setting. And right now, of course, I don't see the distance or anything, but it still shows me 4 bars on this area. I don't know. Let's see if anything changes. So I'm above farmhouse now. Above farmhouse, and the wind is a little bit strong, shaky. All right, I started seeing the red. Almost the same distance, yeah. I don't see any difference between 1000 and 1200 milliamp hour milliwatts. I mean, definitely the same. So, okay, I think we need to look into that. See what could that be. Yeah, I'm gonna use the battery efficient. So right now the motor is cut around 40 miles an hour. Going towards east. Okay, it's pretty good. The voltage is 11.5 volts, and the goggle is 15.1. It's pretty good. I will say it's just because of the antennas probably. I don't think I need to make any changes on the power. So I'm on this direction now. Gonna do a gradual turn. This is nice. Coming back to the park. It's been 3 minutes. So right now behind me, 4 bars. Yeah, wind started somehow picking up. Okay, I am looking if okay, the bars are 5 bars now. The bars are 5. Yeah, right above me. There we go. Trying to use the battery efficient. Now let's do a quick view flight. I'm on the low rate soon now. Make it smoother. There we go. Yeah, sometimes it gets shaky because of the wind, but in general I think it just flies pretty good. Yep. And you can see the GPS reading. I'm expecting this is pretty accurate with 11 to 12 satellite reception. It's good. Definitely great. So I'm gonna turn from the road there, the bike path. It's a little bit chilly, definitely cold weather. Cold, cold, cold. My hand's getting cooler. Alright, here's the creek, so this is where I'm gonna be turning. Go straight. I don't understand why I don't get the arrow, the home point arrow. I have to definitely look at the setup there. Okay, there we are, cruising down some of the best views of the creek. Low pass. I'm behind us, turning over the parking lot. We'll do a low pass. Woo. Right there. See if you guys are gonna see it on the camera. Okay, I'm right here. Switch to mid rates. I'll say definitely pass the range test. It's the same as it was. If I compromise from quality, if I go lower, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get better range. But the view is incredible. Why would you want to change that, right? So that's great. Okay. Try to stay away from homes, so maybe around here. So 10.7 volts. I'm turning. I'm at the other park. There's no one else flying. It's beautiful. And here's the King Supers there, and a Casco ahead of us. I can see very, very deep, far, far away. I love this digital. It just feels like I'm piloting a full-scale airplane now. Turning. Hello. Is it recording, right, Chet?
Yeah.
If you want, you can take in your hand now, Chet. I'm gonna do the later landing.
Just
That's good.
down.
So Chad is back. He got the camera in his hand. It's still recording. So I will say the range is good. It's on the 1200 milliwatt setup. I don't think I saw a huge difference between 1000 on the usual directions that I normally fly. But other than that, it's incredible. The view is great, and it's just the weather a little bit cold and hard to steer the airplane. Other than that, yeah, my left hand is frozen. I just kept the power on one setup. And Mr. Chad is there. You're looking at me, Chad? Okay, now I'm coming next to us. I'm right above the yoga area.
Yep.
You can see me, I'm doing a low pass. You see it, Chad?
Yeah.
Right there.
Adderdy's not wasting too much on the 12 volt.
So make another turn. Look, the wind started actually getting really strong. The direction of the wind the same.
I think you need to land.
I'm on the higher end, so I'm gonna be there when you're ready.
I think I'm ready.
Alright, coming to us now. The wind is like so shaky. Alright, record the landing, buddy.
So already recording.
I'm gonna cut the throttle almost. There we go, over the grass now. I'm gonna keep the throttle on because the wind is pushing so much.
And flare. See him trying to turn.
That was it, on the ground.
Here we go.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it was a successful flight and thank you Easy UHF, that was awesome. And the airplane is safe on the ground. Guess what happened in the next last few minutes? The wind like picked up like crazy. I cannot tell, it's just like unimaginable. It's like almost over 30 miles an hour right now. I'm barely standing, but overall the air unit is good, even though it has all this wind. Maybe it's blowing really well. And we're gonna check. Can you disconnect this for me? Alright, Chad is disconnecting. Very perfect, good job. So I'm gonna put everything back. So this is the beeper. If I crash I can find it. So yeah, I'm gonna be Chad. Let me see, one more thing. I'm gonna let you carry the airplane. I'm gonna disconnect this plug. There we go, Chad. You can carry the airplane. And I'm gonna carry the air launcher. Go ahead. So be careful. You were stepping on. Be careful. All right, good. So Chad is carrying. Hold on. Put it on the ground. Put it on the ground. You cannot carry it. Put it on the ground. Completely on the ground. It's too windy. Too windy. Go carry this guy. This one also. So yeah, too windy. It's so windy. Chad cannot even carry the airplane. So I'm gonna be giving him a hand.
I'm so even strong.
Sure. Okay. Disconnect the goggles. Did I start recording it? I think I did, right?
Yeah.
I have to check it. I'm not sure. And then the second flight. All right. So let's go to the car. It's unflyable now. I think you guys can see the huge like black clouds came in. Woo! Look at the weather. It's like getting crazy. Oh my God. I'm just barely holding the airplane. It's like a tornado weather. Yeah, I don't think I can even do any quad copter flight. I was thinking we just used the time perfect. Anyway, so on our way back as quick as possible to the car. If I can carry the airplane, I need my second hand. Oh my goodness, it's like flying everything. Go, Chad. I'm gonna open it. Hold on a second. Hold on, Lana. Alright. Just wait. I need to go first. Alright. Woo! It's blowing crazy! Go in the car right away. Oh my God. We are stuck. I can't even put the radio back. Woo. I'm closing everything I can think of. I need my Wawa. Gentlemen, look at the weather. Oh my goodness. I am putting myself in the car. Woo! You want to do in a scooter ride, Chef? No, I'll take you. Ah! Successful flight. High five. We made it. One more. Good job. Thank you for your help, Chad. I think we
should get home before the tornado
oh,
happens.
no way. Look at the people are like running like everybody actually, all these people you can see from yoga class are kind of coming and running to their cars, and it was just like so Yeah, look at that. Something huge coming. Oh my goodness. We just come in. Imagine my airplane was in the sky, Chet. I will be able to bring it? Nothing can make it. Oh my god. I think this lady just got so cold and she started her car leaving, and the other guys are coming. Some of them are on shorts. It's kind of definitely sketchy. Any dog owners and walkers, they're all coming. I think those guys got an amplifier. They're trying to bring their amplifier now. And they were kind of, I think those guys were listening some music while they were exercising. But every single car here will go. It's just, look at the wind, it's like blowing like crazy. It's coming. The clouds are moving very fast. I can actually see.
We're going home.
See, cars are going one by one. Yep, we're done with the flight time.
It's tornado weather. We'll get in the house and stay in the basement. That's what I'm doing tonight.
That's right. Yep, everybody leaving.
I'm not being at a park in tornado weather.
Yeah. That's crazy.
Let's see if I have
Alright.
some bars today. Let's check the weather.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Alright, I sent to my friend there, and here's another person trying to leave, and pretty much everybody gone, and this is the last car. They were exercising out there and she's about to leave. So it is what it is. So nobody, I think, outside left, and bye. So she's gone. All right, guys, that was our adventure. I think we did 2 successful flights. So Chad is watching the recorded video, and looks like I didn't press the record button on the second flight, so just the first flight. So unfortunately that catchy landing with the high winds not captured, except Chad captured with the GoPro. So we're gonna watch it. And how's the chat view?
Good.
You're watching the first.
Does everybody just start it over?
Okay, where is the airplane right now?
I was kind of like flying near the fence. Now it's on over the field.
Did you see I went a little bit far, like to the farm area?
Yeah, that
saw
part I
that, right?
saw.
Cool. Alright, so Chad is watching it. And we're gonna be heading home now and on our adventure flight. Bye guys.